In this video, we're going to repair the fuel door hinge on this 1970 Cadillac sedan DeVille. This information is for 1963 through 1972 Cadillac vehicles and may apply to other GM vehicles too. This is a 1970 Cadillac DeVille. Like many American cars of this era, the fuel filler is behind the license plate. Here's the problem. 1963 through 72 Cadillacs have plastic hinge pins that hold the springs in place. As you can see, one of the pins is broken due to age. One solution that I found was on eBay. For $60, you can order a set of metal hinge pins and new springs. Now, this is a fine solution if you can afford it. My project is on a tight budget, so I wanted to find another way. Start by removing the license plate holder from the car. I had to disconnect the springs from the mounting brackets and then wiggle the plate out through the rear bumper. I went to the hardware store and bought a box of duplex nails for $7. These are sometimes called double head nails. I had an idea that I could take a double head nail, cut one of the heads off, and make my own hinge pins. Using a hacksaw, I cut the second head off of the duplex nail, and then used a hand file to remove any sharp edges. Of course, using power tools is faster and easier, but this is just a quick proof of concept. As you can see, both nails are now cut to the same length as the old pins. I had expected the old pins to slide out, and when they didn't, I used a pair of pliers to persuade them. If you really want to go above and beyond in your project, you could paint the nails to protect them from rusting, as there is no galvanized coating where they were cut. You could also put a tiny amount of grease on the nails when installing them into the springs. I made the same repair to the other side. And here is the finished product, 2 new hinge pins made out of a couple of duplex nails. When reinstalling the fuel door / license plate bracket, I had to bend one of the tabs slightly to insert the pin, then just bent it back into place. Here's the finished result. The fuel door mechanism opens and closes just as good as new. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!